All right, so we're going to multiply these mixed numbers together. First step, we need to convert from mixed to improper. 5 times 3 is 15. Add the top, and you're going to get 19. 15 plus 4 is 19. 5's on the bottom. Now we're going to multiply 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we have 5 over 2, 5 halves. Now we can solve. We could multiply it straight across. 19 times 5 is 95. 5 times 2 is 10. But we could also cross cancel. So another shorter way of doing it is just 5 cross cancels with 5. And then we have 19 over 2. To see why that works, I could divide the top and bottom by 5. And we're still going to have to divide anyway. 95 divided by 5 is going to give you 19. 10 divided by 5 is going to give you 2. We can't leave our answer in improper form, though. 19 halves, well, we know 2 goes into 19 9 times. And then there's a remainder of 1 half. So our final answer is 9 1/2. Just to go back and clarify, when we multiply fractions, we multiply straightforward. So 19 times 5 is what gave us 95. 5 times 2 gave us 10. Okay? All right, next one. I'm going to convert from mixed to improper. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay? Keep the denominator. Then we have 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So we have 9 over 2. We're going to keep the denominator. Now we're going to go keep it, change it, flip it. 7 halves is going to be, we're going to keep it. Change division to multiplication, and then flip 9 halves to 2 ninths. Okay, now we could multiply straight across. 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 9 is 18. But we could also cross cancel. Now we just have 7 times 1 is 7. And 1 times 9 is 9. And if we were to reduce this by dividing by 2 in the numerator and the denominator, 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So our final answer is 7 ninths.